The 2025 Chevrolet 6x6 pickup is a specialized vehicle that has garnered attention for its unique design and capabilities. However, as with any vehicle, potential buyers should be aware of certain considerations. 1. Limited manufacturer support. The 6x6 configuration is typically an aftermarket modification rather than a factory option from Chevrolet. This means that official Chevrolet dealerships may not provide service or support for issues specific to the 6x6 setup. Owners might need to rely on the modifier or specialized service centers for maintenance and repairs. 2. Potential warranty concerns. Aftermarket modifications can sometimes void the original manufacturer's warranty, especially if the modifications are extensive. It's crucial to understand the warranty implications before purchasing a modified vehicle like a 6x6 pickup. 3. Component quality and reliability. The reliability of the 6x6 pickup largely depends on the quality of the modifications and the components used. Some owners have reported issues with aftermarket parts, such as condensation in taillights or malfunctioning steering wheel levers. 4. Previous model issues. While not specific to the 6x6 configuration, earlier models of the Chevrolet Silverado have faced issues like reverse camera malfunctions, premature brake wear, and unusual noises when windows are down. It's uncertain if these issues have been fully addressed in the 2025 models. 5. Recall history. The 2025 Chevy truck model has had recalls in the past, primarily related to engine, transmission, and other critical components. Prospective buyers should check for any outstanding recalls and ensure that necessary repairs have been completed. 6. Cost considerations. Vehicles like the Hennessy Chevrolet Silverado Goliath 6x6 can be priced around $400. This significant investment requires careful consideration of the vehicle's utility, maintenance costs, and potential depreciation. In summary, while the 2025 Chevrolet 6x6 pickup offers impressive features and capabilities, potential buyers should conduct thorough research, including understanding the extent of modifications, warranty implications, and any known issues, to make an informed decision. For a visual overview of the 2025 Chevrolet 6x6 pickup, you might find this video informative.